The alarm goes off and the morning battle begins. Your voice raising with each wake up call as the minutes tick by and me still not gotten out of bed. In desperation, you pull me out of bed, though you know I won't be able to do it for many years. A screaming match ensues, and now I have missed my online lectures. We are a puritanical society when it comes to sleeping late in morning. We equate having a lean to being a lazy good for nothing, and teens suffer at the hands of such ignorant criticisms. The fact is that teens can no more bounce out of bed early in the morning than you can run 100 meters in 10 seconds. We have known for some time that teenage circadian rhythms works differently from adults in some ways. Teenagers experience a shift in their circadian rhythm known as sleep phase delay. Unlike in childhood years with early bedtimes around 8 or 9 pm, teenagers may not get tired until later in night. Circadian rhythms are 24-hour cycles that are a part of your body's internal clock running in background to carry out essential functions and processes. Your circadian rhythm helps control your daily schedule for sleep and wakefulness. This rhythm is tied to your 24-hour body clock, and most living beings have one. This rhythm is quite regulated in toddlers and children when it matures. We are going to do an experiment to compare the awakeness of teens in morning and evening with adults and find out if their daily rhythm is really different or they are just being lazy. The test is designed to reveal the level of our attention. So how did I and Dad compare? For reaction time, both of us were faster in the evening. For ability to ignore distractions, both of us were better in the morning. But for one important measure, our ability to shift focus and response to the arrow, we were complete opposites. I did much better in the evening, while Dad did much better in the morning. So my brain does seem to work on a different daily rhythm from Dad. In fact, everybody has a chronotype, which determines the time of the day you are best. It's set by a part of our brain that acts as a master body clock and sets our daily rhythm. Recent studies suggest that timing is shifted by age-related hormones, which rise sharply in teenage boys and falls as they grow older.